We are very, very happy to come back here to the formerly burned down school building. Ngayon nakita ninyo, almost one year ago na. 1 year ago na nagkasunog dito at in-inspection natin after that at nakita naman natin na talagang walang-wala na. Hindi na magamit. It was even on the verge of being condemned. Ngunit dinesign natin ng mabuti at originally ito 2 stories. Pero ang sinabi ko sa kanila, gawin nyo ng 4 dahil kaya naman. Ang pinakamaganda rin dito ay yung natapos itong construction na ito in 8 months. At malaking bagay ito dahil nais kong ipakita. Kapag ang pera ng gobyerno ay ginagamit sa tama, ito yung kaya natin gawin. Kaya natin magtayo ng 4-story, 60 classrooms ng 8 months time. At ito, may panibago, may sprinkler system na para hindi na magkasunog ulit. At inspeksyonin nyo na mabuti. Baka sasabihin nila, AI na naman ako nandito. Pero tingnan ninyo na mabuti, makita ninyo gaano kaganda ang ating bagong classroom. And I'm very, very happy to see that the students are already using it. Ang pinakamalaking bagay dito ay hindi na sila nagdo-double shift. Ang mga bata nakakauwi ng alas 3, alas 4. Ganon din yung ating mga guro na imbis na umuwi ng alas 7, alas 8 ng gabi ay nakakauwi na sila kagaya ng normal na estudyante which is in the afternoon. Makita naman talaga ninyo what it is that we can achieve as long as the money goes to the project, not into people's pockets. Basta't pumasok sa proyekto ng tama, ay ganito ang ating nagagawa. Patuloy natin gagawin yan at patuloy natin titiyakin na ang pondo ng pamahalaan ay napupunta sa mga proyektong kagaya nito. From 10 classrooms, we have now 60 times 6. Meron na tayong 60 classrooms. Kaya naging mas maluwag ang schedule, naging mas maluwag ang physical location ng ating mga bata, and which is conducive to better learning. So I'm very, very happy to have come here. I'm a little bit surprised, I must say. I do not think that maybe in the last 30 years that we have seen such a building, a 4-story, 60 classroom building built in 8 months. And we should all be very happy about that. We should all be very proud. And it should demonstrate very clearly what can be achieved when funding is used properly. Does not go into people's pockets, but goes directly towards these important projects such as this.